What are you gonna do?
We're gonna lift the body off of the chassis.
How crazy can we be? As our tagline is, we never know what we're going to be working on next. So, this is the continuation of the Chevy C10 build. We have a 5.3 LS motor in here and trans set up. And we're going to try to use the chassis on this for the 71 C10 swap. So what we're doing now is we're grabbing the front end off this, gonna get the radiator out and all the dressing off the front. Then we're going to work on getting the body mounts off, and then sketch fill hits. We're going to try to lift this body off.
All right, we're rolling.
Oh my gosh, am I on TV? Alright, so doing an update here. It's probably piggybacked on what I filmed yesterday, but 2002 Suburban, and we're doing the chassis swap, as we said. So we got the, take the camera down in the hole here, maybe you can see a little bit, but we got the chassis and the body separated. That's good. And we're going to we're in the planning situation here, whether we're going to try to lift this up and get the chassis out, or possibly, it's up to our tow guy how we're going to get this out. It's pretty darn heavy, so we loaded up some of the parts that we don't need. So it's in here and in here. So we're gonna probably use the cherry picker, the same one that we used on the GTO/Le Mans sketchy body removal. Check that video out, that's in our playlist. And well, you know what, it's gonna get sketchier at the moment, and we'll get right back to you. So we're moving the chassis. Gonna have one of those moments. It's stuck in the groove, so I'm gonna give it a little push. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh shit. Hold on.
They are specialists. Do not try that at home.
We're stuck in the groove on the freaking thing.
Why don't we jack it up with another jack and then push it forward?
I was thinking that, but might have to rock it side to side while we're doing that. Who wants to? I don't even know. I'll take it on the power into if it goes and you have inertia, it's just going to fall. Put that in front of the tire, please.
Is he coming now?
Potentially. If he could do it before dark, get here before dark, he's going to do it.
So this could be up here over.
It's a one-piece
All right.
drive shaft.
Click. right, so this is going to be a wrap on the removal of the Suburban body off of the chassis here. And we did have some issues filming. Battery died on the GoPro, so now we're on the cell phone. Hopefully my audio is working okay here. We got it all secured up, tarped off, and waiting for our next session of work on it. As John, who owns the truck, is not always in town. So this is the 71 C10. It's a little tight in here, so I can't get a big view of it. But we did pull the bed off, and we're measuring the frame points on the chassis where the bed mounts, so we could translate that over to this and see if it makes sense or not, because it's a lot cheaper to run this chassis than it is this one for our service parts. So all right, well, this is going to be a wrap on this for this segment. Please like, share, and subscribe, and check out our other videos, and get your butt off the couch and get working on your hot rod.
To be continued.